Welcome to my channel.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters in faith, I stand before you today to discuss a practice that is not only a fundamental aspect of our religion, but also a powerful tool that has the potential to transform our lives. I speak of the act of making dua, a practice deeply rooted in the Islamic concept of connecting with the divine. Imagine for a moment that you possess a direct line of communication with the Creator of the heavens and the earth. A line that transcends the constraints of time and space, allowing your voice to reach the heavens and your heartfelt desires to be heard by the Most Merciful. This, my dear brothers and sisters, is the essence of making dua. In the Quran, Allah invites us with open arms, saying, "And your Lord said, 'Call upon me, I will respond to you.'" Quran 40:60. It's a promise of divine attention, a reassurance that our calls will be answered. How remarkable is that? The all-powerful, the all-knowing, wants to hear from you. But making dua is not a mere ritualistic practice. It's an intimate conversation between you and your Creator, an act of the heart that reflects your deepest hopes, fears, and gratitude. Imagine standing in prayer, lifting your hands, and speaking from the very core of your being. In those moments, you shed pretenses and connect with Allah in your truest form. So, how do we make our duas more powerful and impactful? First, we must have sincere intention. Our supplications should come from a place of pure sincerity, devoid of arrogance or impatience. Remember, Allah looks into your heart. Secondly, acknowledge your dependence. Humble yourself before the Creator, recognizing that you are in need of His guidance, mercy, and blessings. Allah loves those who seek His assistance with humility. Thirdly, be persistent. Just as you wouldn't ask a friend for something only once, don't hesitate to repeat your duas. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The supplication of every one of you will be granted if he does not get impatient and says, 'I supplicated my Lord but my prayer has not been granted.'" Bukhari. And finally, trust the timing. Allah knows what's best for us, even if we can't see it at the moment. Your dua might be answered immediately, or it might be granted in a way and time you least expect. Have faith in His wisdom. Brothers and sisters, making dua is not a sign of weakness, it's a testament to our unwavering belief in a higher power that can alleviate our worries and fulfill our aspirations. It's a practice that transforms us from mere supplicants to believers of the extraordinary. In conclusion, let us internalize the significance of making dua. It's a direct line to the divine, a conversation where we lay bare our hearts and seek His guidance. Let's approach dua with sincerity, humility, persistence, and trust in Allah's plan. By doing so, we tap into a reservoir of hope, strength, and connection that has the power to uplift our lives in ways beyond our imagination. May our dua be accepted, our hearts find solace, and our faith remain unshakable. Jazakallahu khairan.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.